नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी संजीव पेंढारकर. माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनल आणि ब्लॉगवर तुमचं स्वागत. One of the areas of consideration is to form a crisis management team. Now, crisis management teams means what? There are certain members of team which are responsible for in case of any crisis eventualities. See, now we are trying to work together and reopen offices, factories, or even real estate industries. So unless there is a crisis management team, who will take responsibility of overall situation or if anything goes wrong? Therefore, crisis management team is important. And generally, team should include representative from HR, communication, security, compliance, and legal. So these communications are to be made on regular basis. So there has to be internal communication and external communication. It's as simple as that. Internal, what we are working inside office, there has to be a proper communication and rapport is to be developed with the external people. Otherwise, in this crisis, if we do not develop rapport and try focusing on disputes, then we won't be able to do crisis management properly. So we need to check whether sanitization is done properly, whether there are government approvals which are required to start operations from your factory. Then crisis management team should decide, plan and chalk out program how they are going to handle COVID cases, how they will communicate COVID related information to the employees. So communication must have sense. Do not underestimate the importance of media training. Revise and renew your business community plan. So how will you communicate with the corona patients? So there has to be a distance of 2 meters. Treatment is to be given to them. And immediately those employees are to be hospitals. Now in case of fevers, as you know, the symptoms of corona is high fever, cough and cold. Fever is more than 100.3 degrees centigrade, and without paracetamol, if it's not getting reduced, there are several management team. They should check for whether there is a muscular pain, body ache, the patient is shivering. Such corona management team should immediately admit the patient or employee during the nearest hospital who treats the corona. When they take these patients to hospital, now there are various ambulances also available. So doctors are paying full attention. BMC is doing their job very well and they keep under observation, they quarantine patient and keep under observation. So my dear friend, you include people from IT department, finances, operations, supply. Don't restrict to 2 or 3 members in corona crisis management. Communication has to be open. So if we come together, that is what we call synergy. And we must respect dispute Because if two people always agree, one of them is not required. So valuing difference is essence of synergy, and you will be definitely able to handle corona crisis management team and form in your organization. Dear friend, please write to me or communicate with me on my channel, blog, or on email. Whether you are liking my videos or any improvement is required, you want additional questions to be asked. And thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thanks a lot. Bye bye and take care.
मित्रांनो, तुम्ही माझ्या वेबसाईटला व्हिजिट करायला विसरू नका. आणि वेबसाईटचा ॲड्रेस आहे www.sanjeevpendarkar.com.